That's why I'm laughing at video. And they like in junk out.
You wanna bye.
Go around and say go for Rose. When me look at Rose that me see naked, Swiftly I laugh till in belly bottom cry out. Wicked girl, I made the blood clot here and be a 4 blood clot, man. You can't kill blood clot, Jakes. I mean they come out with the old cars about your car no AC in our work. I mean really I come out.
Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla. Hey, what about my people? Dancehall skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect each and everyone. Alright, my people, now I'm going to present to you pieces of videos. And in these pieces of videos, you can hear different persons basically talking about a person who a lot of people on social media know as Rosealee. Now, you see, me is the kind of person, you know, it's not every words when me hear someone say on our social media, I totally accept and believe. Especially when it comes down to social media some of the times, because sometimes some persons might say certain things and might do certain things for certain reasons. You know what I mean? But anyways, some words I'm hearing in these pieces of videos I've been thinking. These pieces of videos are said to be separate live recordings that have been done on TikTok. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh words in each of these pieces of videos. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe.
Take up your blood clot. Take up your blood clot!
Yo, how are you to sleep? I feel wake up on this hour there.
Internet I bring you down.
We can't afford for the father. Y'all hear me? Our kind of pull-ups, how pull-ups business go?
Size 3.
A size 3?
I want to check your bumpers.
A skit in the do?
Eh?
A skit?
No, it's a bumpers.
So I should drink too much and urinate on herself?
We don't know anybody.
So how you reach another situation then?
Because they said we're going to shop to buy pampers.
Me not understand it. Me not know what me have to do with pampers. Me story not add up. How?
When you did a video Rosealee in her pampas, when you video Rosealee panic
talk to Vanny.
Barnes, if people they want to know, because the people they must say you're wrong for video Rose, they must say when you did video Rose, if a pampas she have on, because I'm afraid for you ask you, a pampas is a pull-up she did a wear or a one bingo jaws.
I want bingo or pull-up fish.
Me tell them, say why should I have on pampas? Me tell them. So she did junk?
Not a blood clot junk.
So she had up on the ground.
I don't know, I probably didn't feel it special.
I saw one time, 2 times, I feel nice, but I'm not drunk yet. She know exactly what I go and run her. She just feel nice.
Rose does feel nice, I
feel nice. Minds, me I tell the people them say, once a man drunk, you have to use the term and know when to use the term. You see when somebody drunk, a drunken person and know what them do. A drunken person we see all at 40-inch deep pool and go jump in it. So if Rosealee did drunk you up and should have strip herself naked, not have no jaws.
No, sir, Rose, let me tell you, you know, jump out of that, you just feel nice and lead on the daddy while I'm here. That's why I'm laughing at video. And they like in junk out.
You want to bye.
Come. Why? Wow, I'm tired.
Me not on a rat cuts and bumps. Hey, I will draw down my blood clot just pie in a rose. Rose no crutch, no dey pan blood clot me in a rose. Rose, I will strip by your blood clot pie and make them do strip me in a rose. Rose, me not have no rat cuts nor blood clot bump in a jankro. My skin clean in a dirty girl. Dirty girl go to the mildew them for under your crutches corner. Rose, nobody can use bathroom for you because you think no blood clot. Rose, I carry my car front and I fly take my blood clot car seat. Rose, me no want do this with blood clot, you know. Rose, you know, no secret for me, you know, Rose. Come in, I want to tell you who for cut the ton of you. Rose, go on, you know. Rose, go on and move your blood clot, you know. Cause this your blood clot want, you know, Rose. Rose, you go like you that girl. Rose, up here, man, you like that and nobody not you. Rose, up here, man, you like that and nobody not you. Rose, you're wicked. Remember me here, there, Airbnb, Rose. And a 4 blood clot, man, you can't fi kill Jakes. I'm tell us you can't. I say, Rose, don't do it your baby father. Rose, move your blood clot up and then tell me I pray, girl. Hey, girl, don't make me bust it up over blood clot, yeah, you know. I regular pay man to kill man and they take your money and near me. A 4 man you call to kill blood clot, Jakes. I'm tell us you not a blood clot do it. How your baby father? Eh? And you plan up and talk about you push hand in a Jakes and all these things. All of me I say, Rose, stop say them blood clot things because your baby father you say God kill you true. Dirty wicked blood clot, girl. Girl, a long time you have an appointment. Girl, if me know, say I say you me poison your blood clot. You don't believe me? Eh? Not if your friend them no blood clot like you. You dey go like your friend them like you. Eh? Dirty thinking call out Rose. Rose, I can't get back a picking them because you're wicked. You don't know? Your blood clot wicked. My rifle marker don't suck out so. Cause the things that I see your blood clot when I have to keep in me. Stinking girl. Wicked girl. I made the blood clot here behind me. A 4 blood clot man. You can't kill blood clot, Jakes. Stinking, dirty, wicked, dirty Rose. Stinking girl, if you can't deal with Jakes for 12 years, I want to pay Jakes to kill man. Remember in a Rose. Remember the people them say they come up at the blood clot up at church of Westmoreland, you know. Remember you come to the church, you're going to call me blood clot. You know, can't hold me down, remember that prayer warrior. Hope you walk a blood clot, Rose. Remember that prayer warrior. Remember don't waste you're going to the blood clot church, I come up with my name on paper. Stinking girl. Remember me know everything stinking, obia girl. Rose, remember, you know, me not go have the millions them you have. Can you go with the people them name pan candle and parchment paper, go kneel up your knee and light them. Remember, so we not go have the crowd, we go always boring because we natural. Stinking girl. You can't come by my mother prayer warrior. Alibi my mother prayer for me. Stinking girl. Stinking dirty wicked Rose. You can't do it man for 12 if you want to pay man to kill blood clot. Them a go like you're somebody. Rose, you're wicked. Rose, you're wicked. Rose, I can't put your pad good. Rose, you probably call me all man and go tell me say my time done, Rose. My time, Rose, if you wash your foot and put your shoes and tie up a lace for your foot. Rose, I can't say your pad good. Rose, made your ear behind me if you walk and pack up your blood clot garbage them. Come in and want the blood clot household come video and put your out stinking girl. You say, man, if me know say you gonna come to the test, girl, me video everything and you become in like your girl, because me a girl keep up receipt. What you talk about, Rose? Rose, you think. You think. Nobody can use toilet off of your room. When you use toilet, Rose, your skin left on the toilet seat. Me have to walk behind you and wipe you off, girl. Then I hear behind me, I have to wipe off your blood off a toilet seat. You want this, me and call me all. I'm here to call all Rose. Rose, I can't bend down and put your shoes yes good, Rose. Rose, every night the way you want Rose. You run up all kind of delay in your. When we come in your room, if you come call, if you tell us we are check out your room, sting no blood clot. Me can't see blood clot. I be a whiteness upon the rose or the rose cover. Or you want Rose appear for nobody know why your Rose. Rose when a man no want your Rose. Rose buy BMW if you pay them. Rose buy BMW every day if you pay 12,000 if a man carrying your BMW. That makes sense. You buy blood clot car. And every day you have to pay 12,000 if people carry on your car. I'm here to come out. I'm here to come out with the old cars about your car no AC in our work. I'm here really to come out. And you want me to do this? You want me to do this because I never want to do this video. Come talk about me all of my time up. Eh? Wicked girl, my time up. Rose, I better go straighten back your up here. Because I'm not done. I start my blood clot start. Wicked stinking girl. All the girl will have your pitney. You chat to the girl like a. Remember the girl when go give back a pitney in a word. You have to beg the girl like a baby. You diss up the girl and chat to the girl like a. I when the pitney when dirty stinking Rose. I'm here gonna quote every time, dirty girl. Yeah, this up my blood clot on the night, save a life and never have car to drive. And it make no sense when buy no car. Cause Rose you buy blood clot car, you have to pay 12,000. Everything you want, nobody care go nowhere. Rose you pay the man if you walk behind now. Nobody now walk behind if you not pay them. You not no ratings. Rose you pay for ratings. You pay for people like you pay for likings, you pay for everything, Rose. What you talk about, Rose? You that bitch? Rose got beard. You need to go visit the blood clot doctor. Cause something wrong with that, you say, you know. You don't have think mouth, you know. You don't have frozen arm, but you think. Nobody can use style it off of you. Remember, you know, wicked, stinking, big, stinking, wicked girl. Remember, you got to sleep party, you know, girl. Every girl, you think of the people in place, you know. And the people might laugh off at you, because you follow the people in bathroom, you know. And the people might laugh off, you know, big, stinking rose. And I cry really, I want a dirty, stinking girl. Go ask, what the man name, what the brown man name, yeah? Where can we? I really, I want my bad for the dirty, stinking girl, you know. When one little girl, cut it like one girl, you know. Everybody over there laugh off a blood clot Rose, you know. Rose naked, every man laugh off a Rose. Where you call it? Body shame Rose, you know. I'm sitting around at the pool, you know. And cut it like one girl and the girl say, Dymma, go around and say, go for Rose. When me look at Rose, that me say, naked, Swiftly I laugh till in belly bottom, cry out. I'm grown, everybody I laugh off a Rose. Rose drunk and embarrass himself. I'm about real blood clot, yeah, I want and take up in clothes. I say, Rose, come on. Look how you make them a shame you and disgrace you. I'm going to see they come call me all. I still out. What the man name? What the brown man name? I'm Carrie. Everybody gone left blood clot way. Me and you alone like two shame a blood clot dog. See how you nobody no want care way home. Jaden fling out back and cut left way. I still only what the man name. I'm have to carry home. Him, me cuss somebody come straight at town ask the man. Mr. Rose, look how you make them do you. Look how you make them do you, Rose. Ask the what the man name, the brown man there. Ask the man. Me cuss come straight at town and the man have to carry home. Nobody no want to carry home. Everybody just laughing stock, y'all. Me grieve. Oh, me low me standard for your dirty girl. Come call me all I mean no fit me. A clothes and shoes fit me. Baby na blood clot for me. All I can not for the half baby. Not for half baby. Can you pick them eat yo? You can't even cook a decent meal and you pick them at all the rice stuff like a stone. Eh? You rather cook for man than cook for your blood clot pitney them. When they take away your blood clot pitney girl, it's same when they take away your pitney girl. And me say dirty girl, we not got no blood clot maker. Your blood clot say, I feel your pitney girl take away after me come on. And me take the blood clot beating for your girl. Eh? Ask the one what the man name. Me can't pronounce his name, what the man name ask the man. Everybody laugh over Rose. I cry, me cry. I'm having to clothes in, I go cover up blood clot Rose. Then take Rose in mimics and gimmicks and laughing blood clot stack. I'm a feel it to me heart. Everybody go left way. Nobody don't want to carry blood clot home. And yes, me know rebel them. I'm a rebel them never have no, I'm a pick your side, girl. Me not gonna make a girl and the people burn you out and make a girl. And I'm have to beg the people to let it back in and make a girl. People burn you so they don't want to make a girl. Yes, me know rebel them. Me rebel never have nothing. Love all over rebel. I'm pick your blood clad side. And I got the people in match. I sit down with everybody. This man create this credit you don't want to see your girl. And you call me all and I no pitney. A clothes and shoes fit me in a blood clot Rose. Nothing no fit you. Rose baby no fit you. Clothes no fit you. Man no fit you. Nothing no fit you Rose. Rose move your blood clot and go tell the doctor to pull your their kit. Rose now come about me. You're out and no Rose make you strip. Rose I will strip over this blood clot with them take ticky live Rose. Blood clot chest Rose. Go me beer, they brush boy teeth, they comb boy ear. Go me beer. Rose me no want to tell her over. Rose no me bust it up Rose. Rose the beg Hakim. Rose about when Hakim tell us say now go far as give me move your blood clot. Move your blood clot Rose. Look how you me live because they cost me. Eh? Look on blood clot. Rose, you're sad. You're pretending to be somebody. You're sad, Rose. Rose, you're sad. Nobody not like you, Rose. You're sad. I mean, all the blood clot girl really like you. Rose, I mean, me like you for my heart, dirty girl. And I true me cause me go pretend wicked girl. Me like you for my heart, dirty girl. Rose, you're sad. You just pretend for the camera. Rose, every night the camera look off your ball till daylight. Rose, you not sleep. You know blood clot, see Rose, I feel blood clot here. Maga down so. You and all of the ammunition when the people ma fling for your blood clot. Show me the road and drain out your energy for me. Rose, that you big and fat, make him Maga listen and show by. Rose, you're unhappy. Rose, I don't want to buy. Rose, you don't see GX left wealthy and lonely. Eh? Rose, you're sad. Rose, you make me life sad, so. Can me come mix up with you and itch up with you and wall it out. Rose, you make me life blood clot sad. Yeah, Rose? Rose, nobody know what. How we know say Jake have you asked 100 times, say, Rose, stop tell life and the man can't throw you think if Jake's have a heart, have a goal and a lion to blood clot. Cause Rose, can't stay in the AC, you know, think up the whole place. I mean, no make it bad at me, you know. Me don't want to go about this cause me a girl. Me no make it bad at me. How when you think this a lick me in my blood clot car, me drive. Me blood clot, me drive. Me drive and me no grumble. Me take the thing this, so me take it with a willing heart cause me like you. Me take it with a willing heart cause me like you. But one time I want to tell you, say, Rose, we got that, me no bother, me leave it. Come on, what you say me I need style you. Eh? What you talk about, Rose? Rose, we do any blood clot thing just to feel like you're done. Rose, we do anything. Rose, pay for friendship. You have to pay a man to talk to you. Rose, pay for friendship. Rose, pay for everything and you say you're young. You're young, you're with a capital blood clot K. Rose, I'm maga like a blood clot dog. Rose, you can't stop with me. Rose, you can't stop with me. Because Rose, Akim that never stand up for you. Rose, every time you go around, Akim beard all 4 times. Rubbing skin, so. Move your blood clot, girl. The boy rubbing blood clot, kill the bath up and carbon like hard. Till sometime him skin strip. What you say? You really want to go about blood clot this Rosalie? What you say, girl? You know outside me pick for you, girl. Try tell me if you not hear me, cause right now the live are itch. No, me don't know when internet are itch, you know.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.